Hello, welcome back. So, we will continue the next element of communication system, which is connection device. What is a connection device? It is an interface between sending and receiving device such as modem. So the outcome for this video is for you to be able to differentiate between connection device and services including dial-up, DSL, cable, satellite, and also cellular. So connection device, what is it? It is a device that needs to convert between digital signal and analog signal and vice versa. It is called a modem. Modem is a combination for modulator, demodulator, so we cut it short, it becomes modem. So what is the process of modulation? Is the process of converting from digital to analog, and demodulation is the process of converting from analog to digital. So transfer rate, speed in which modem transfer data. So our modem has their own transfer rate and it normally measured in megabits per second, Mbps. So types of modem. We have three types of modem. The first one is digital subscriber line, DSL here. Use standard phone lines to create a high-speed connect. High-speed telephone lines, ADSL, short form for asymmetric digital subscriber line, is one of the most widely used types of DSL. The next one is the cable that use coaxial cable, and then the third one is a wireless that is also known as WWAN. So signal, just now we are talking about signal, analog and digital. So there are two types of signal actually. We have analog and digital. So as you can see, analog is like a telephone signal, continuous electronic wave. This is analog, it's a various and continuous wave. Digital signal is a computer signal, presence or absence of an electronic pulse, on or off. On or off is either on or off. So the transfer rate, the speed in which modem transmit data. Just now we have talking about these: million bits per second, gigabit per second, trillion bits per second. So next we will go to connection service. There are two types of connection service. One is from the corporations and another one is from the individual connection service. First, we will look into this one, corporation. So we have lease line, a large corporations lease from telephone companies. We have T1, originally copper lines that combined to form T3 and DS3. It does not require conventional modem and provide very high capacity and is expensive. The lease line have been replaced by optical carrier OC lines. It is faster optical carrier lines. It is higher capacity and not affordable for individuals. We as an individual cannot afford to have these lines. So instead, we have connection service for individual. So previously, we used a dial-up. Original service using existing telephone and telephone modems to connect to the internet has been replaced by higher speed connection services including DSL, cable, satellite, and cellular service. So let's look into the connection service for individual. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have the first one, digital subscriber line. So these use existing telephone lines to provide high-speed connection. It uses DSL modems. ADSL, just now we have said asymmetric digital subscriber line, is the most widely used type of DSL and replace dial-up services. Cable use existing TV cable, faster than DSL, and then we have satellite connection services. It's a two-way 3G satellite capable of handling both uploading and downloading, available almost anywhere but slower than DSL. Then we have cellular services, option for mobile devices and laptops using 3G and 4G cellular network connectivity. And then we have fiber optic service, new technology such as Google and Verizon. So please check your mind map, the printed one. We have covered communication system, the element of communication system, the 4 connection device. So we have here modem, we have here connection, service for individual and corporation. So I think that's all for this video. Till the next video, we will cover the final one, which is the data transmission protocol for element of communication system. Till then, dah.